You wake up, check your bank app, and trust the number you see. Your money isn't there. Not really. It's being used, without your permission, to make the bank millions. While you pay the price. Every dollar you deposit? It's loaned out for huge interest. Your cash becomes the bank's playground. Fees, tiny interest, it's all part of a hidden system designed to quietly drain your account while you sleep. You think your bank keeps your money safe. The truth? They don't. They create new money from your deposits. Charge interest on it. And if things go wrong, you carry the risk. Tonight, look at your balance and ask yourself, if this money is truly yours, why are you not allowed to decide what it does next? You wake up, check your banking app, and see a number. You trust that number. You believe it shows the money you earned, sitting safely in a digital vault. But here is the truth, your money isn't sitting there. It isn't even resting. It is being used to make more money for the bank, in a game you weren't invited to play. And the worst part? You are the one paying for it. Most of us think of banks like high-security warehouses. You put cash in, they guard it, and they pay you a little extra interest for the trouble. That is the story we're all told. The reality? Banks are actually high-speed machines designed to capture what is called the float. Think about your daily life. You buy a coffee on Tuesday morning. The shop doesn't get that money instantly. They get a promise. The bank, however, gets to play with your actual cash for a few days before it officially leaves your account. In the world of high-speed finance, time isn't just money, time is the ability to invest and move that cash around to make a profit. But that is just the surface level. Let's look at how the system actually drains your account while you sleep. It starts with something called net interest margin. Banks take your deposits, your hard-earned cash, and they pay you almost nothing for it. Maybe 0.01%. Then, they take that same pile of cash and lend it out to other people for house loans or credit cards at 7, 10, or even 20%. That giant gap in the middle? That's not just profit. That is a tax on everyone who keeps their money in a basic bank account. It gets deeper. When you deposit money, you aren't just giving them a loan, you are providing the backup they need to create brand new digital credit. Because of a rule called fractional reserve banking, your $100 bill becomes the foundation for thousands of dollars of new loans. They create the money. They charge interest on the money they created using your deposit. And if the economy hits a rough patch, who do you think carries the risk? Let's look at the math on a regular checking account. If you have $5,000 sitting in a basic account, the bank isn't holding it. They are using it to participate in massive, overnight loan markets. While you are getting hit with a $12 fee because your balance dipped too low, the bank is making hundreds of dollars of profit using your specific money. It is a clever system. For them. You see the absurdity when you look at the timeline. Decades ago, you could actually grow your savings just by letting them sit in the bank. Today, your money is losing value every single day. Between the tiny interest rates and the hidden fees, like inactivity fees or paper statement fees, you aren't really saving. You are paying the bank a subscription fee to let them use your money. The industry tells us this is the cost of convenience. They give you a sleek app. They give you a debit card. They give you the ability to tap your phone and pay for things. But we have to ask ourselves, at what point does the cost of that convenience become too high? We live in an age where information is everywhere, yet how banks work is still meant to be confusing. It is designed to be boring. It is designed to be complicated enough that you stop asking questions and just accept the way things are. The real danger isn't that the bank will disappear tomorrow. The danger is that the system is set up to keep you just liquid enough to get by, but never truly wealthy. By keeping your money moving, they ensure you stay tied to their system. You are always one bad month away from needing their credit, which, of course, is just your own money being sold back to you at a much higher price. Pause. So, where does that leave you? You can't opt out of the system entirely. But you can start looking at your banking app not as a vault, but as a leak. Ask yourself this tonight when you look at your balance: if this money is truly yours, why does it feel like you're the only one who isn't allowed to decide what it does next?